Slave dynasty, Qutub-ud-din Aybak. Qutub-ud-din Aybak, also known as Qutub-ud-din Aybak, was a prominent historical figure in medieval India. He was the founder of the Delhi Sultanate and the first Sultan of Delhi. Aibak was born in 1150 CE and served as a slave in the Ghurid Empire before rising to power in the Indian subcontinent. In 1192 CE, Muhammad Ghori, the ruler of the Ghurid Empire, appointed Aibak as the governor of Delhi. Following Ghori's death in 1206 CE, Aibak declared himself the Sultan of Delhi and established the Mamluk Dynasty, which marked the beginning of the Delhi Sultanate. During his reign, Aibak consolidated his power and expanded his territory. He faced several challenges, including revolts and opposition from other regional rulers, but he managed to suppress them and maintain control over his dominions. Aibak also successfully defended his territories against external threats, including the Mongols. One of Aibak's notable contributions was the construction of the Qutub Minar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in present-day Delhi. The Qutub Minar is a towering minaret built with red sandstone and marble, and it stands as a remarkable example of Indo-Islamic architecture. In 1210 CE, Aibak fell from his horse while playing polo and died from his injuries. After his death, his slave general, Iltutmish, succeeded him as the Sultan of Delhi. Qutub-ud-din Aybak played a significant role in the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate and left a lasting architectural legacy with the construction of the Qutub Minar. His reign marked the beginning of a new era in Indian history, characterized by the dominance of Muslim rulers in the northern parts of the subcontinent.